Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and I hope what I'm sharing you, what I share about the design that I upload on our community, on Canva community, and most of you are looking for the tutorial, and I hope this tutorial will help you how I made and how I designed this transparent card. Well, before we start, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sius Sarumaha. I come from Indonesia. I live in Bali, and if you have time, come and visit Bali. Okay, so today we are going to to learn how to make this kind of design 100% Canva without third party. Yes, I believe there is no third party. And let's start. So this is the design, and before we do the design, I just would like to let you know that there's a zoom thumbnail over here. If you press that one, this one, it will be, you will get zoom, and below of it, so the timeline will become bigger and longer. Alright, so that's I'll just like to let you know. And the format that I use is a video format, so that I can slide, and it's easy for me. So that I'm not going down. So this one I know what's the next step. Okay, that's other things that I would like to let you know if you don't know yet. But if you know, it's okay, just ignore that, just skip it. So on the next page, that this is the element that I used. So reminding again, if you are Canva Pro, absolutely you will get this element. So let's check. So this one is free, you can get it, and the one is not free, I think this one. So this one is Canva Pro. So if you are non-Canva Pro, please try to get Canva Pro. So the benefit, if you are Canva Pro, that you have access all element, everything. Yes, this template, element, photos, text, font, styles, audio and videos, background, everything. So you have all access. So one by one, I would like to let you know, and I would like to introduce all the elements I use. There's nothing to hide, and I just would like to let you know, this is it. Even though the hex code I gave it to you here, it's up to you if you like to use the hex code. So this one, the name of this one, 3D Neomorphic light rounded rectangle debossed. And the name of element, the font is the name is a little bit peculiar, no? Strange. Computer says no, but well, it's just strange for me. But I don't know. That just computer says no. That's the name of this font. It's here. When you type computer, see, it's over here. Computer says no. So that's the name of the font. And this big circle, the name of this big circle is red circle gradient. So how become a different color? This one is red. So this one is editable. So this circle is editable, so you can change the color as you like. So something like that. So this one is more what's that, attractive and perfect. It's a nice color. Okay, so it's up to you if you like to change the color. And pink blur dot, so there's a pink blur dot over here. Yes, this is it, pink blur dot. Okay, so far I think everything I've mentioned, and this element over here is Fitbit. Yeah, the name of this one is Fitbit. Oh, sorry, I didn't put the name in here. Let me get this one. Yeah, it's so this is the element of Fitbit name, and this one Canva. So it's easy to get as a Canva here. So this is it, Canva. So this Canva, we can change the color as well. This one is editable, so if you use white one, so it can change with other color. Okay, so this is all the element, and I hope you can figure out, and I will put on the description as well all this name of this element, so that it's easy for you to copy. Next, all right, so as I mentioned before, this one I will put it back. Yeah, okay, so this is the original of this 3D neomorphic light rounded rectangle debossed. So this is the name of the element, and the font name, computer says no. I think we don't have problem with this, but let's continue. I believe that you can still follow it. All right, next one, we need to reduce this 3D rectangle frame. Yeah, we need to reduce, become, let me separate it for a while. I think we need to go back for a while. So this one from here, so I use transparency 11. I give a value as 11, so you can see here. And font, I use effect, I apply effect style shadow. My setting is here is offset is 50, and direction is 155, and blur is 36. Blur is 36, sorry. Blur is 36, and transparency is 73, and color is white. So you can change color if you wish. Yeah, if you're gonna use this color or any kind of color. So I just use white, and so on, just the same like this. Yes, so you can arrange the font size. Okay, I think I told you already about the setting, so I use effect of this. And next, the things that we are going to do is to give frame on this site. Yeah, on this site here. The name of the frame is a rounded rectangle frame minimalist. Yes, I'm going to show you. So this one, I group it, so I need to ungroup for a while so that we can see. So this one I crop it before, so the original one element of this one is let me put it back to normal. So this is the frame, and if I use this one without cutting, without without crop it, so it doesn't fit all. So we need to modify it by crop the things. Yes, just to crop. See, crop like that. And then to get the same, you just copy paste and then flip vertical and stitch together and stick together, so it will it will create a rounded rectangle a size as this one. Okay, and then I reduce transparency become 29, so I setting mine 29 for this, so that's why the color become faded. Okay, so I will put it back at the beginning, and that's the way how I made this frame. Okay, so we're almost there. Now, and I think we made already, so to have a good look of this design we need to apply this red circle gradient, so I put it all behind. Yes, all the way back. Okay, so to get this shadow around this card, yeah, I click edit image and I use shadows of this image. So I just click it and I use glow. And I arrange. Yes, I arrange. So the setting that I put in here is 40 and 100 and 120. So that's the setting. Size 40 and transparency 100 and blur 20 and color black. So that's why there's a shadow here, and you can see clearly here, right? Okay, so that's the setting that I made, and I use all the element that I mentioned here. I put it behind so that the design is beauty, so artistic. So it's up to you if you're going to use it or not. So if you're going to use it or not, it's up to you. So this is what I feel that this is good in my eyes, that I look at this design is good by using that. But some of you maybe you don't like, you don't have to do it. So this is the design that I made, and it is very simple, and it's not so hard, it's not so difficult. And I do some modification. Yeah, I do some modification here. So I use Canva. I was Canva logo. Yeah, and I make transparency 9. Sorry, not 9. Yes, 9. Oh no. Yeah, much better, huh? It's good. By accident. So it's okay. Yeah, you can change the color like just now. It's a magic. Yeah, because I just pressed this copy style. See, so okay, you can put it back. See, right, it's good. So you can modify, and this is the name of this element is Fitbit. Yeah, like I mentioned, Canva logo. Yeah, the one that I show you. So guys, I'm done, and I believe yours is just the beginning. Yeah, if you like to do the one that I mentioned, it's up to you. So this is the best way on my design that I've uploaded on our community and so on. Yeah, this is just kind of options if you like to modify. So this one is a modification by accident. Yeah, but it's good, you know. It's good. It's beautiful. Yeah, I think this one is I like, you know. Okay, guys, I think I'm done. So for those who are wondering about how do I make this design, so it's all there, and I believe you can figure out. Thank you very much for your attention, and thanks for watching. And if you feel this tutorial is good, you can subscribe and share to your friends. But if you don't like get any notifications from me, please do not subscribe this channel. Okay, see you guys, see you on the next tutorial. Yeah, secret tutorial. All right, bye bye.